Women over 40, if you want to learn how to tone your legs and get stronger lower body, here's what you need to know. The best exercise is a squat. Now, a lot of people say they can't do squats because of their knees. So I'm going to give you a progression of squats so you can build up to being able to do a squat. So we're going to start from the very beginning. First, grab a bench or a chair, sit and stand. So a lot of people, when they sit, they use their hands to stand up and pick themselves up. So first thing we need to do is build that leg strength so we can sit down and we can stand up without using our hands. This is the first level of squats. We all sit, we all stand throughout the day. So you need to get used to that first. Then another way is if you can go to a door frame, grab something. I've got some rings right here, but let's say it was a door frame. I'm going to put my legs apart and I'm going to sit down and I'm going to use that door frame to help me get back up. Sit down, use that door frame to help me get back up. When you're doing that squat, your bottom sits back. You should be able to wiggle your toes and you stand right back up. So that's another level of progression. When we get higher, better, we're going to go back to that chair, and instead of sitting all the way down, we're just going to hover. So we sit, barely touch the chair, stand back up. Sit and barely touch the chair, stand back up. The whole time I'm doing this, again, I can wiggle my toes, I sit my bottom back and stand back up. Take it nice, slow, controlled. Watch those knees, make sure they're in straight direction where your toes are. So we've progressed. Sitting and standing, squat supported, squat on our own. Now we can do all that. We want to get stronger. What I like to use are bands. We can use dumbbells, but the problem with that is you have a tendency to lean forward with the dumbbells, put stress on the low back. With a band, I step into it, I bring it up, and it helps me keep my posture straight. So I'm holding that band, same thing, sit the bottom back and stand. Everyone's different. Some of you may be going to here. That's it. A squat is when you bend the knee, straighten. You don't want to lock out at the top, but anything is better than nothing. So if I start here, that's fine. And then I get lower and lower as you progress. That's what you want to do. Start with easy and then watch yourself get stronger, get better, and progress to something else. People ask us where we get our bands. We love to use bands because they're easy to travel with, to carry around, and we can work every major muscle group with these bands. Now, these are 40-inch loop bands. So what you're going to see is they're really, really durable. They're thick, and we can step on them, put them around our backs, do whatever we need to work the entire body. We get them from Clench Fitness, and what we're going to do is we're going to put the link down below. So for more information like this, check us out on our YouTube channel and comment below if you tried these exercises. See you later.